So I recently found something very interesting on a Facebook Marketplace deal. This is a hand-cranked drill press, most commonly known as a post drill. So it's really cool. These things were being made before electric drill presses were common. I tried looking for a name brand or a maker on this model on the cast iron parts, but I didn't see any markings, no cast iron trademarks or anything like that. So it's kind of difficult to date this thing. I don't know exactly when it was made. If anybody watching knows, is able to recognize this particular piece, please let me know in the comment section. Most of these things were made in the 1800s, and it's just a really cool piece of history. I was fortunate enough to find one with no missing parts. When I found it, it was all rusted and had a whole bunch of gunk on it from oil put over it that has been solidified over the past however many years. I don't know how many years. But the gears wouldn't move at all. So I took the whole thing apart, every single piece, and I dipped it in rust remover and left it overnight. After all the rust came off, I took it out, I cleaned it up, and then I spread some camellia oil over all the parts. So now it will be preserved and ready to use once I order a new chuck for it.